welcome back to my channel, guys. What's up? So I'm with RoyalMe today. It's my first time trying out RoyalMe wigs. I can tell you this right off the bat, the packaging is A1. It makes me feel so luxurious. It's like, what? It feels very luxurious. You know, it feels very expensive. As you can see, I'm opening for the first time. You know, I love the whole concept of the packaging. Ooh, as I said, it's so luxurious. Like, wow, I love this. Right off the bat, this is gorgeous, beautiful. What else do we have in the box? Not much. We got 2 of these clips, and I got a tail comb, a rat tail comb. Do you see how gorgeous this hair is? I'm gonna put the specification as it relates to the length, but this, I believe it's 22 inches long. The ends are very full, very full. I love the color. This whole color, the streak vibe is definitely trending. The streak blonde vibe. Oh my gosh, guys, look at the look. The hair is plucked perfectly. Y'all see? You see that? It's plucked perfectly, guys. This is gorgeous. I love this. It's really stunning, to be honest. Like, I really don't have to do anything to this at all, because it's plucked so perfectly. The graduation, you know, the bleached and tinted the lace already. And I have another surprise for you. This is also a T-part wig. It's a T-part wig, guys. Like, what they did to make it look so good. I'd say this is like 1.5 inches here in front of where the actual T-parting construction began, and so you can still rock it pulled back if you wish. You know, nobody has to know, and you can rock it glueless as well because it has the extra elastic band. When you have the elastic bands on the inside here, it really helps. Apart from just these in the back, this really helps to keep the wig snugged on your head to a point where the lace isn't easy to be lifted. So if you're looking for that wig where you don't apply any form of adhesive, I feel like one of this is very essential on the inside portion of your cap. It only came with 1 comb in the back here, so I guess they didn't put any up here so it could lay flat, and then they put this. So like they're really trying to, you know, step out with these new constructions, because I mentioned it before, there's a lace shortage currently in the whole hair market because of the pandemic and stuff. So they're getting super creative, and this is bomb. I love the construction. I love the wig. I can't wait to go ahead and just try this on. I'm gonna use a bit of my Got2b though, because I want this to be super laid and melted on my head. So, and the lace is so thin and nice. I love that. It's laying so flat, like the lace portion looks so good, and it's like they constructed it in a way where even if you don't go ahead and glue it down, like it's going to lay really flat on your head. As I said, I'm going to be using some Got2b today though. That's just what I want to do today, but if you don't want to do that, that's fine. But it's been a while because I've been doing so much headband wigs, so I'm happy to kind of get back into the whole lace or semi-lace, since this is just a T-part wig. Like, this is really nice though. The fact that they really took their time and make it still look like a full-on lace front, and it really isn't.
That
now I'm contemplating if I even want to do any baby hairs, because this wig is like absolutely stunning. The lace portion, the lace is really like really melted. It's really melted, so it has me wondering. I'm just gonna do the little sideburns here. Been a while. It feels so good, guys. You see how laid this hair is? I'm not even talking about just the roots but the hair itself. So I didn't apply any product to this. This has no product. I don't know if you can tell, but it's so smooth, it's so silky. That's not usually something that happens when you get like colored hair or a colored wig, because it's processed, obviously. So sometimes it's a little coarser, sometimes it's a little drier than when you get your regular 1D hair, which would be in its natural color. This is not that. This is like really silky. It's really silky for colored hair. So I'm like really like wowed by the texture. It doesn't need a lot of work where flat ironing is concerned, but oh, and I need to make the part in here a little bit more vivid. I got something light, something neutral, but guys, dude, oh, I did no baby hairs, none. I only did the sideburns hair, which I can completely go ahead and comb out. I can't tell when last I do absolutely no swoops, no baby hairs. You guys know that I don't go too OD on the baby hairs a lot of the times. It really depends on how I feel, and today I just said, you know what, absolutely no swoops, absolutely no baby hairs, because RoyalMe is giving me life. This wig is really beautiful. It's really like, I'm not like over guess it or anything. It's really gorgeous. I'm just gonna, you know, slightly run through it with the flat iron, and I don't feel pressured into putting anything on the hair because it feels so silky and absolutely no product is in there, like butter.
Oh na na, oh na na, oh na na, hey, oh na na, oh na na. I tell them all the time that I'm not your little friend. You got a million like they following the trend. You get away with murder, so you're killing me again. Well, with every beginning comes a end. Tell me why, oh why do I do this to myself? I'm not loving you, won't help.
I'm done with everything. It's beautiful. Like, look at how flat it is. Minimal flyaways. Can I tell you guys about that? Very minimal flyaways. The hair looked like it's growing from my scalp. Like, I could go on and on really about this wig. And it just, I can't believe that it's just a T-part wig. It's a T-part wig. This is it. I would definitely 10 out of 10 recommend this. Absolutely stunning. RoyalMe, shout out to you, because this wig is bomb. If you guys are interested, as I said, all information is down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's it for today's video, and I hope you guys stay tuned for the next one. As usual, please drop your suggestions for challenges, all kind of other videos apart from hair videos down below in my description, in my comment section. And yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, I'm your girl Petite. Bye.